In this video, I'll show you how to fix cursor terminal not working. If your terminal is not opening, freezing, showing a blank screen, or not running commands inside cursor, these quick fixes should help you get it working again. First, restart cursor completely. Close the app, make sure it is not still running in the background, then open it again. Sometimes the terminal stops working because of a temporary session bug, and a full restart can fix it instantly. Next, try opening a new terminal manually. Go to the top menu, click Terminal, then select New Terminal. You can also use the shortcut Control plus backtick on Windows or Command plus backtick on Mac. If the terminal opens after using the menu, the issue may have just been with the current terminal session. If it still does not work, check your default shell settings. Open cursor settings and search for terminal profile. Make sure cursor is using a valid shell such as Command Prompt, PowerShell, Git Bash, Zsh, or Bash, depending on your operating system. If the selected shell path is broken or missing, the terminal may fail to open. Now try switching to another shell. For example, if PowerShell is not working on Windows, change it to Command Prompt or Git Bash. On Mac, try switching between Zsh and Bash. After changing the shell, restart cursor and open the terminal again. Another common fix is updating cursor. If you are using an older version, the terminal may break because of bugs or compatibility issues. Check for updates, install the latest version, then restart the app. You should also check if your project folder has permission issues. Try opening cursor as administrator on Windows, or make sure your Mac has permission to access the folder you are working in. If cursor cannot access the project directory properly, some terminal commands may fail. If the terminal opens but commands are not working, check if Node, Python, Git, or any other tool you are trying to use is installed correctly on your computer. You can test the same command in your normal system terminal outside cursor. If it fails there too, the problem is not cursor, it is your local setup. If nothing works, clear cursor's cache or reinstall the app. Uninstall cursor, download the latest version again, and reinstall it. After that, open your project and test the terminal one more time. And that's it. You've learned how to fix cursor terminal not working. The main fixes are simple. Restart cursor, open a new terminal, check the default shell, switch terminal profiles, update the app, verify permissions, and reinstall cursor if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more AI coding tools, cursor, and web development tutorials.